When I start making videos, I was so afraid, what if it's not work? What if someone who knows me came to know about this before I get successful? Yes, you heated, right? I am afraid of this because I believe the people who knows you, the people who criticize you. Otherwise, do you really believe that the person who do not even know do you exist or not will get jealous of you? That is the reason. I do not share anything that I am doing in my life with my close ones. Even though I am 30 years old, but I have seen a lot of in my life, and right now, I am at the point where I do not like sharing anything about me with anyone knows who they are. For example, when I got pregnant with my second child, I never tell to my family, friends, and relatives because I knew that nobody gonna come to help me. Also, some of them got jealous by hearing this. So, I believe in hiding myself instead of being an open book for everyone. And I am sure that someone of you also have faced the same situation where you got exited about something that you are going to do and share it with your friends and family, but somehow you failed to make it. It just not a coincidence. It's nature of universe. Hiding make more chance to be successful instead of being open about your plans. If you have faced something like this, please let me know in the comments. What do you think about my theory? Do you believe in it? And also, I would like to request you all who are watching my videos, please subscribe my channel and help me to get successful before someone who knows me came to know about my YouTube videos. I have only one target to get successful without letting them know, as I believe in quote, that do hard work as quiet as loud you want your success. Your one like and subscribe help me to hit that milestone. Today, I am going to set a goal of 100 subscribe and 500 likes. Let's see will we all can achieve this target. I can't do it, but you can because you guys have that power. Please use your fingers and hit that subscribe and like button to hit the goal of 100 subscribe and likes. I really hope that you guys like this recipe and would like to try it. If you are a good cook but just need a glimpse of any dish to make, you can watch my shorts videos as well. I will always bring more interesting, easy daily recipes for you. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching.